Hello, my name is Arty.
Hi, I'm LaiSha Ponder.
And we are nutritionists for the Lake County Health Department. Today we'll be making a quick video to help you on your journey with meal prepping. We will also be listing off all the ingredients and everything that you would need to have a successful meal prep. So the first thing that you would want to do is pick out a day. The day that I would recommend is the day off. That way that you have more time to, get the shopping, get everything together. Just in case you missed out on something, it just makes the experience less stressful. Next, you want to make sure that you do have Tupperware. Tupperware makes it easier so this way you can separate the foods throughout the week. What we would encourage is starting off with like 2 to 3 days of meal prepping. It just makes it easier to begin that way. Once you feel that you've become more experienced with it, then I would encourage maybe extending it out to a week. Next is the fun part, looking up recipes. Now for me, my favorite thing to look up for recipes is Pinterest. I use the Pinterest app. It shows all different types of recipes, even has videos that you can even look up as well. And LaiSha, what are your favorite apps to use?
My favorite apps to use are allrecipes.com as well as foodtv.com. That's the Food Network website. And that way, because I'm a huge review person, so I understand that the recipe will be listed, but I need to see what people that have actually made it, what they said about it, what they think, and if it needs to be, different spices need to be added to it. So I need a real perspective when it comes to prepping food. And also, with prepping the foods here, you want to make sure that before you go to the store that you prepare a shopping list. And this is just a simple example of a shopping list where you could just write down everything that you'll need so that way you can stay on course and stay on budget while shopping to do your meal prepping. So now in front of us we have all the ingredients of just a quick and easy meal prep. With these ingredients we're going to discuss several different options that you can use without purchasing over 50 different ingredients. So for example, if you're looking to do breakfast, we recommend doing breakfast, maybe prepping 2 to 3 days ahead of time, so that way your mornings are extremely easy and fuss-free, especially if you have children. For example, you could prepare a sliced apple, peanut butter, and whole wheat wrap. That's something that not only you can eat while you're in the car, the kids can also eat that while they're on the bus. It's healthy, it's easy, and most importantly, it's going to give them great fiber, great nutrition, and a wonderful way to start the morning. For a mid-morning snack, you could evolve the fruit with the apples and peanut butter, and also add a little Greek yogurt and maybe some banana for a touch of sweetness to make an easy smoothie. That's another wonderful snack that could also, instead of being a snack, it also could be a healthy breakfast as well. And for lunch, you could take a little lettuce here, possibly some of the tuna and black beans, and some tomatoes, and toss in some spinach, and now you have a good Southwest salad full of fiber, full of antioxidants, full of great things that your body needs, and it's quick and easy. It doesn't have to be extremely drawn out when it comes to meal prepping. And then an additional snack for later in the afternoon, you could do just a handful of cherry tomatoes. I know I personally love those by themselves. Or you could do peanut butter and banana on the tortilla again. That's a great way to just fill yourself up before dinner time rolls around. And for dinner we could do chicken however you'd like, whether that's roasted, whether that's grilled, whether that's sauteed with some healthy brown rice and some steamed broccoli. Now you have a quick and easy, healthy meal for you and the family, and you were able to make all of those great things just from what you see here. Meal prepping doesn't have to be hard, it doesn't have to be long, it just takes a little time to prep and plan ahead. We're wishing you the absolute healthy best. This is Chris and LaiSha bidding you farewell.
Thank you.